Let's clean up, it's time to put away. Toys are on the floor, let's tidy up today. Lulu sees her toys scattered all around. Mama Joy is smiling, let's make a tidy sound. Choo-choo, here we go, the cleanup train is here. Pick up all the toys and bring them over here. Cleanup train, rolling through the room. Picking toys up one by one, making lots of room. Max the bear is helping, picking up a car. Pipi grabs a tiny block, they're cleaning near and far. Choo-choo, keep it going, round and round we go. Every toy goes back in place, nice and neat, you know. Stack the blocks, put them in a line. Cleanup feels so fun to do, everything looks fine. Cleanup train, rolling through the room. Picking toys up one by one, making lots of room. Now the floor is shining, hip hip hooray. All the toys are put away, what a happy day. Clap, clap, clap your hands, we did it all together. Cleaning up is fun to do anytime, whatever. Cleanup train, rolling through the room. Picking toys up one by one, making lots of room. Cleanup train, rolling through the room. Picking toys up one by one, making lots of room. Clean up, every girl and boy. Working as a team today brings us so much joy.
Great job, everyone.
We did it!
Yay, cleanup time!
Wave goodbye.